Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video, I'm going to tell you about my next video project that I will be making. You remember that I've created a new playlist wherein I'm discussing few topics regarding cloud automation with Python. So to make it more exciting for all of us guys, I'm going to make a new project, which would be this. This is deploy a Node.js web app. It is, I will be following the documentation from Amazon, in which they clearly mention about launch and run a highly available Node.js web application on AWS. In this project, we will learn how to deploy a high availability Node web app using an AWS Elastic Beanstalk. If you remember, I made a few videos regarding AWS Elastic Beanstalk wherein I've deployed Flask application. The simple app uses this code expressed in a NoSQL database, and the services used, the architecture would be this. I'm going to explain architecture more when I'm going to start that project. It is just the introduction that I'm going to upload. Before making videos, we'll have a DynamoDB, we will have a simple notification service, we will have auto scaling, we would have ELB, EC2 instance, EC2 instance, we have S3 bucket. All of you would be having the AWS account as of now, because it is the basic requirement to create, to proceed with the project. So it would be really nice to work on this project. Total time, it says 60 minutes, 6 steps. You can say I'll be making videos in parts, and so it would be few more minutes than 60 minutes. I'll be making at least 4 to 6 videos to explain in a detailed way about this project. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you at the start of this project. Thank you.